What up, guys? Here we go again. What's up, mga mata? Karon guys, we're going home because we're done jogging, exercising our body because exercise is good to your health, and yeah, that's all. So guys, we're here in, what is this place, man?
Saksakbay.
Saksak Elementary School. Yeah. There we go, guys. This place is good for jogging and hiking. Yeah.
And healthy to my body.
and good for fruits. And where my kuyog kuyog guys, can you see LG? Yeah, what's up, man? And Bol. Yeah, Friday. Yeah. Oh, Boss Atan. Hancho. Oh guys. Oh, nindot kini guys. Nindot tigagin diri guys.
Sabi ko mo motor guys. Nagan jo guys.
Manamay jogging guys.
Isa lang masasabi ko guys, huwag kayo mag-I love you kung walang kayo.
Oh. What the fuck? Ano ba yun?
Talk man.
Yeah, real talk. Oy, shoutout sa iyo, ate. Nagpaan. Oh, guys. Oh, kita mo yung place, guys.
Ari oh, go. Ari oh, may kikapicturan di.
Oo.
Rodri, ako na.
Ikaw na. Saglit lang, guys, dahil mapapicture lang kami.
English?
Back.